Welcome back everybody. So guys, here in this video we'll be talking about some more things about the form. When we just come to the on-click event, we just came to the on-click event, then there are a lot of different events we're going to use in the next class, but for now I just want to clarify something about the form. So let's just talk about it. Just suppose here you can see that when I just click here to update, there I'm just getting the data, the state or whatever data I've just wrote here. I've written here in the item, I'm just getting there. So what if I just add another thing, another form element of, if I just add the input type, and I'm just going to put it as text, and then here on change, okay, and equal to, and there I'm just putting the same thing, this dot state handler, okay, cover this up and go out. And then here what more I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna cover this up in this way. Okay, save it. Now go to the browser, you can see that there is a thing. If you know about the on change, what is the on change? It means if I just change anything inside this text, for now it has nothing, but when I just click here and I type anything like A, S, or even I remove that as, I'm getting the new things. But if I just type my name, Shazib Kamal, now you can see that there are a lot of text I got, but actually I wanted this text to be there, but it's not. Reason there, I'm just simply getting this event, this dot state handler to be here in a content. Okay, actually this dot state handler is actually, I'm just calling this state handler, and it's just binding with this function, and here it has the item, and then it's just you can see that it's just increasing a new item after every item, after every click, or whenever I just call it, and it's using the set state way for updating the content. Okay, cool. But how to pick the data from there? There is a very simple and very logical thing. When it comes to JavaScript, you need to know the basics of the JavaScript. Here I'm just using any alphabet like E. E means event. I'm just going to talk about the event, but I'm just typing E only. And then later, what more I'm just going to do is, now there I'm doing a lot of things, but for now I'm just going to ignore that, because absolutely I'm not going to use this one. Okay, and I'm just going to ignore that one too, because I'm not going to increase any item. I just want what I just wrote there, I just want to be the place, okay. I just want it there, whatever I just write there. Okay, that's cool. So then I even don't want this one, because I'm not gonna get any kind of state data like this one. I'm not gonna do anything like that. But what I'm just doing here, instead of the data array, I'm just commenting this one, and I'm just adding a new simple thing, going down in this dot set state, the same function I'm going to use and the same method I'm going to apply. And there inside this, I'm just going and I'm just calling the data again, and in the front of the value of the data, you know that here it's the E. This E is coming from there. Actually the data I'm just putting there is coming to there. This is a very basic logic of the JavaScript and the events, that whenever you just type here the data, it just comes here in a variable. I'm just getting the data in a variable of E, and then here E dot target dot value means whatever was targeted with this event, the event we just used, the on change. Okay, what the value of that thing, okay, the value will the value can be anything. I'm just going there and I'm just typing here A. Now you can see that I'm removing and it's removing. I'm typing my name, it's getting my name without any single second. You can see that without getting a single second, it just giving me the result. Means it's just picking the value of the targeted event, okay, and just putting it into the data, and there this is the data, and absolutely it's getting showed by there, this dot state dot data. In the next class we'll be talking about how we can use different events just like that one, these two events. So stay tuned and goodbye.